What's up, guys? Derek Johnson of the Freedom Factory. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. In this video, I'm going to show you some free resources that I've compiled and created for you to actually get your foot in the door and learn digital marketing. So let's go into those. First and foremost, you can head to tryjohnson.com and opt in for the Marketing Automation Toolkit. There are some powerful resources inside this toolkit, and I'll show you what is on the other side of this opt-in right now. So let's jump into that. So as soon as you opt in, you get taken to this page, and on the back end, I've automated account creation for you. So you actually get an account to this powerful software called Link Wizard, and you're going to get private Facebook group access. You can jump in there and talk to me and others inside the private Facebook group. It's focused on online marketing for entrepreneurs. So if you're familiar or not with that space, we're focused on DropFunnels. That's our platform that we build all our sales funnels on as well. So you can check out a 14-day free trial right here. If you do that, I also unlock a Chirply starter account for you. You want to learn more about Chirply? Text demo to 319-250-6868. All these software tools and assets are available inside your marketing automation toolkit. I made some little videos here for you walking you through all of this stuff. You're also going to get access to the DropFunnels starter course. So you can jump in there, as well as these other courses. So down here you'll see ActiveCampaign for email marketing automation. I do an SMS marketing automation course with Chirply and Facebook organic marketing automation course focused on Facebook organic marketing, if you can believe it or not. So these are some cool trainings for you. I put a lot of time and effort into creating these to help you get up to speed quickly. This course you can get in and out in 2 hours, and by the end you'll know how to launch and profit from a sales funnel. DropFunnels is an awesome platform. This page was built in DropFunnels, and I give you the shortcuts in here to really cut to the things you need. So the courses feature, the sales funnels feature, products and sales. And then I also cover the blog, because that's one of the reasons DropFunnels is so powerful. It's got that SEO powered blog where you can start to rank your content over time. And if you type in some keywords, you will see some of my blog posts ranking in Google. So I'm not going to give you those keywords because then you'll try to compete with me. But I'm doing okay with DropFunnels with just a small amount of blog posts I've created. And you will too. If you want to learn more about SEO, DropFunnels, content creation, and all that stuff, just jump in the free private Facebook group right up here. And I do at least one live video each week inside this group. And I give you even more assets and training. You can go through the units section and get access to all that stuff. So with that being said, let me just show you what's inside one of these courses. It's not a bunch of fluff. It's actual value. So I'm going to jump in here real quick into my DropFunnels dashboard and show you the course feature. So under courses, I have all the courses I've created so far. And here's DropFunnels Mastery. Once I open this up, you can see here, I've just got 6 modules. I'm not wasting your time in this course. I get straight to the point, give you the meat and potatoes, and leave out the filler. So jump in here, check it out. Start a 14-day free trial if you're interested. If you finish the course, I do unlock some bonuses. So if you want to submit this form here, I can send you those bonuses. If you have any questions, you can drop them right here and I'll jump in and answer those as well. And again, you can jump in the private Facebook group right from the course. So hopefully you guys find some value in this. If you sign up for DropFunnels, which I do recommend, right now it's $49 per month. That's half the price of ClickFunnels, and you get unlimited sales funnels, unlimited membership sites, the authority site and blog built on the WordPress infrastructure. That alone makes it worth the $49 per month, but it's also super fast page speeds, which decrease your costs for advertising and increase your conversions. So everything you would need in a funnel building platform and more. Highly recommend checking them out. You can see my bonuses here. You can see all the premium funnel templates you get access to. And you can start with these and edit them to your own brand and purpose. And there's plenty more than these, but they do have some awesome templates ready to go for you. So you're also going to get access to all this stuff right here. I upgrade your Link Wizard account to Pro. I unlock Chirply for you. I unlock Happy Birthday, which is an awesome Chrome extension for Facebook and LinkedIn. It actually just wishes your friends and connections happy birthday, and it does that for you on autopilot. So it looks something like this. You can create these different messages, and it will run for you each day, keeping you in contact with people. So hopefully that helps. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Go through those courses and jump into the Marketing Automation Toolkit. That's at tryjohnson.com. Again, TRIJOHNSON. And it's just the main opt-in right here at the top. Once you opt in, you unlock all the software, all those bonuses, and those courses. You can start going through one at a time. And hopefully you guys get a tremendous amount of value from those. That's why I created them. So that being said, make sure you subscribe to the channel and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.